Welcome to a little bit of California right here in West London. I think some of us have dreamt of having a swimming pool in our garden at one time or another. But you know, the traditional bright blue of a swimming pool can be very dominating, which is why in this smaller garden we chose these lovely blue-grey tiles to help it blend into its surroundings. One of the features of this pool, I suppose, is this lovely border that goes all the way round the two sides, and the reflections that they give on the water are absolutely fabulous. Between the pool and one of the seating areas, we've got this bed with this Edgeworthia chrysanthemum at the centre, but I think the star has to be the corten steel edging. Privacy is always important in a garden, especially in London gardens. The pleach trees help to enhance that feeling of seclusion. We've used these large limestone pavers to help to enhance the feeling of space on the terrace. Another great feature of this garden is the outdoor kitchen, and especially this raised corten steel bed. We've gone for a kind of exotic theme with the planting in this bed. We've obviously got the tree ferns, which give us a lovely statement. But we've underplanted it here with things like Mahonia soft caress and evergreen Mahonia. And also we've got the fantastic foliage here of the persicaria. We had a lot of fun with this bespoke kitchen because it had to home this big boy who came all the way from the States. Now, the kitchen was actually made on site, as was this pergola, which we also designed. And then finally, we've got one last seating area. It just leads off from the kitchen, actually. It's great for morning coffee or evening drinks. So, if you'd like us to design your garden, why not get in touch via the website or Instagram?